live, 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 live. Fight song, baby. We're downtown Roanoke, chilling with our new urinal friend.
Wait, what? There's a urinal behind me.
That's going in Grayson's new bathroom.
That's right. That's what my husband has always wanted.
Yeah, right.
So, yeah, that's all we saw. Tay and I are at a local job today, just a one-dayer, and by Tay and I mean the whole crew is here with us. But
that's right. I'm gonna show y'all the street. There's the Wells Fargo building in downtown Roanoke. We're, close to there. Hanging out on the street. We got our truck. Keep it down, Maui. We got our trucks here on the side. Hey, it's Jamie Miller. We're live on Facebook.
Hey, Facebook.
What up, world?
We're excited for the Dog Bowl.
That's right. We just started. We're going to tell you guys about that in a second. How are you?
I'll come check it out, okay?
Nice whip.
Hi, baby.
Look at this ride.
oh my god, I love your haircut. I've seen it on social. I just hadn't seen it in real life.
It's the baby haircut.
Hi, Mom. Girl, you look amazing. Can you believe this woman gave birth?
Hey, how are
Good,
you?
how are you?
Hey, we're working here. She's blocking traffic, and I got salvage to get at.
Well, very true.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Bye, Jamie.
Bye. See you
Thank
Saturday.
you. What a professional.
Oh, perfect. See, speaking of the Dog Bowl,
So, we'll start there.
the shade. So, this weekend is finally the Dog Bowl, you guys.
We are.
Can you tell we're excited?
How many days? 4 days?
What day is it? Saturday.
3 days away, 4 days away from the first show at the Dog Bowl, August 24th. This Saturday, 6 to
Fuzzy
9
Logic.
p.m. Fuzzy Logic is breaking it in, breaking the seal, if
Just
you
show
will.
up, bring I'm sure they'll take cards, but it's $5 to get in.
$5 at the
And
door. Every
there's
drink
food.
is $5.
Yep. There's drinks.
There's going to be Lazy Days
also
Barbecue, Ella
music.
B's Shaved Ice.
Bring something to sit on or plan to stand up or
Ride that
even
bike.
a blanket. Yep. Ride your bike if you can. Use rideshare. Use walking. I don't know. Maybe you can be creative.
Let's see, we got some salvage coming out. We interrupt that news bulletin for a special announcement. Dave, what's about to come out of this building that I can't show people yet?
You know, son of a gun, thank heavens I got my zipper up because my zipper comes out here. And I'll tell you, no doubt. No matter, I heard the term X, Y,
Hey, it's
Z
Alton.
before you go here, but here it comes here. I've been waiting all the time. This is my age bracket. Actually, my grandfather's age.
Was this was your grandfather's urinal?
Yeah, this is it, you know. We had a small bathroom, but this is it.
I guess you want to come look at something.
This is live action, everybody. Look at that.
That's it, boom.
Look at that urinal.
That's hell, buddy.
I mean, it's not. You
This
don't
is
see
it.
this
This
on.
puts a U in urinal. There's no doubt about it.
Cheer them on, everybody. Look at that. How's it feel?
It feels heavy.
What do we got here?
We got a 110-year-old urinal.
Yep. Fire clay, 1910.
Nice.
Just say, yeah, 1910 or
You know, it's not a real glamorous history, but it sure is cool looking. I'd pee in it.
Y'all made that look easy.
Hold on, fellas.
I can't read comments while I'm landscape, by the way, so if you want to pull comments. Well, anyway, the project we're working at is a bit on the down low right now, so which is why I'm
Can't
not
wait to
walking
share
you.
this secret with you guys.
walking you
Because we're
through
really
the
bad
building.
at keeping secrets.
Yeah, we're terrible at keeping secrets. So the Dog Bowl, yes, Saturday night, 6 to 10, 6 to 9, check that out. But
See us.
we got word. What's up, dude?
I figured everybody else was
How you doing, man? We're on Facebook Live.
Oh, awesome, man. What are y'all up here doing?
Oh, we're doing a little interior salvage. This place is getting renovated, so we're pulling out some cool plumbing fixtures and whatnot.
Oh, that's cool, man.
What do you do?
I just work for the parking garage around here.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
Lunch break?
Yeah, lunch break.
There you go.
Lunch break. What?
Yeah. We won't tell anybody.
Us too.
Only all of Facebook knows.
Y'all have a good one.
Hey, you
Thank
too,
you.
man.
Nice to meet
Yeah, you too. So, I know Grayson's pulling up the comments. I'm sorry, I decided to go landscape on my phone, and I can't see any comments that are coming in. Otherwise, we'd be giving,
Maybe there are none,
giving you guys shout out. Yeah, maybe nobody's watching.
Oh my gosh.
Let's take a second.
People want to know where we are, but I'm
Yeah,
sorry. I'm
we're
sorry.
we're
we
downtown
can't.
Roanoke. Those that know the town should pretty much have been able to figure out
Oh, this is
where
a
we're
good
standing.
question. So Teresa Tipton asked if Ted was going to be playing at the Dog Bowl.
Oh yeah, we've had a few people ask if
Not
Ted's going to be playing
yet.
at the Dog Bowl.
Not Saturday night.
So we went with First Fridays, who is used to putting on great outdoor events in Roanoke, and we just sort of leaned on them and their expertise to help fill out the rest of the year with events. But next year, who knows, we may be doing the booking ourselves. We don't know yet, but we would love. There's been a lot of people, local bands and artists, reach out to us and say like, who does the booking and this and that. So if you sent the Dog Bowl page a message on Facebook and you haven't gotten a response yet, I'm sorry about that. They do show up in my inbox, but I've got about 4 or 5 other Facebook pages to manage. So we'll get you a response as soon as we know the answer to your question. Thank you guys for even reaching out to us and inquiring about playing in the Dog Bowl. That's awesome. So we will have answers for you as soon as we have them. But we got 3 great acts lined up for the rest of this year. Fuzzy
Heck yeah.
Logic, the Floorboards, and the Kings this month, September and October. So super exciting. But what else are the people saying?
All right, so Jack Bromley's watching. Hey,
Jack Bromley!
Great reflection near your glasses, Tay. People are watching from Danville. Landscape is much better. That's awesome. So we only have like a few minutes here with you guys today, and we thought we might do another trip through the show hauler.
Yes. So
What do you think?
you guys, for those that have not seen, this is our big, beautiful truck. It is a 1993 Freightliner that in 2001 was overhauled by this company called Show Hauler Trucks, and it was turned into, well, this. And I'm gonna go in the front door, and then I'll meet you in the living quarters.
Ireland. Oh my God.
I'll meet you in the living quarters.
Okay.
So let's see. Y'all are getting a live look. So for those gearheads out there, this is a 93 Freightliner with a Cat 3406C straight 6 diesel engine. This truck and I were born in the same year, and this is the interior. Real fake wood grain. It is a full-on semi. So you got your 9-speed Eaton Fuller transmission with the 2-speed rear end, air brakes, Jake brake, all that kind of stuff. This is the cabin. So this is a normal truck. What isn't normal?
This is what it looks like when I ride back here.
So back
Sometimes
here,
I'll sleep this way.
yeah, that couch is a lifesaver on long hauls. Well, tell us what we're looking at, G.
Okay, so this is our mobile office, as we like to call it. We've got mobile Wi-Fi, printer, desk set up. Usually Robert sits here. I usually sit here. Tay or Maui or Mike are the drivers of this land yacht, and then Ted usually drives the big Hino, and that's us. So, yeah.
This is
Pretty much it for the living quarters. There's like some more storage up here. The sleeper berth for you truckers out there. More storage is usually up there. More hard hats, equipment, all the way back. And then of course we have a kitchenette, which is my favorite part of this whole bus.
because Grayson is a snacker.
We're kind of low on snacks right now. I noticed this morning I ate the last granola bar for second breakfast.
Hey, everybody.
We're showing the
Hey.
people
What are y'all
our
doing in here?
well, we're in here with America.
Nothing to
America.
see
So-
here.
America.
Aw.
I am dirty
Oh,
America.
good
like a heart.
Lord.
Yeah, it's a little heart there. It's my
What a-
new shirt. Brand new today.
That shirt will be on sale on eBay.
That's right. This is the Mike Salvage Dog shirt with
Look at that.
all
I mean-
coal and.
Look at this.
I mean, you can't do that on purpose. That's
this
just.
is it's not really a tie dye.
I'm guessing you're here to wash your hands.
Well, it's kind of the deal.
We'll show the people what our amenities
I
here.
didn't know that I was sharing the hauler with you guys, but
Yeah.
You want to
welcome.
wash your hands?
Yeah.
Well, I wash my hands, but I'm gonna do my.
Do your hair?
Yeah, we won't follow you do
Don't
the
follow me
business.
there. This
So
is
look,
just-
we got running water. Comes
about
from a
this?
tank. Look at that dirt coming up.
Coffee.
Isn't
You
this
know we
amazing?
got a
Yeah.
refrigerator.
We got a fridge. You know, you got to have some road beers.
Yeah.
We know how to celebrate.
Well,
But then,
we had a comment from, let's see, Jane, who said that they have a Freightliner, but it hauls 2 race cars, one up and one down.
yeah, so
That's amazing. And
that's a pretty typical outfit for this sort of truck. In
This
fact,
what
the
this
guy
one-
that we bought it from used this as his like pit truck. You know, he had a
right,
small
so it's
car in
already
the
like a
back.
garage back here. For
Yeah.
us.
So then,
Bye, everybody.
bye.
America.
Bye, Mike. See you later.
So back here is the second half of the show hauler, which has all of our tools.
Yeah.
So
okay.
starting over here on the left, everybody's hard hats and safety harnesses and lanyards and lifelines. We got a box full of power
It's
tools.
not quite full because half the tools are inside the building we're salvaging right now.
Yeah, all of our
The Jenny.
got our
First aid.
Honda EU 3000. This keeps the show hauler alive when we're on site. Keeps all the lights and the air conditioning working.
Yeah, Mike's box over here.
Yeah, this
First
is
aid.
Dad's favorite, most used box by Dad. We've got,
signals.
and over here, we scored all these like industrial tool cabinets somewhere used, but we painted them black, and they have everything in there. We got driver bits. We got, just go through them. What do we got? And we gotta lock them obviously because when we're on the road,
Right now we're on a lean.
we
We're on
don't
the side of the road,
want them to
too.
pop open. But I mean,
How organized.
everything
Oh,
you
this is the
need
best one, the
to do
charging
some
thing.
salvaging. Pre-wired
All of our charging.
Milwaukee
batteries.
chargers. We got, this is, look, this is a great drawer, the one that was just opened. So
How organized.
we are hoarders, even to the point where
You know we're salvagers.
we don't quite feel like we've gotten all the life we can out of our Sawzall blades.
I like this one especially.
Oh my God.
It's like a sickle.
Yeah, well, you know, when you gotta cut Sawzall around a corner, you can.
So we got our yard implements.
We
and
got
so
our
now we're starting our landscaping
lawn and
business.
garden section.
LOL.
Oh, pull some of these badass bars out of here. This
Make a
is,
noise.
let's see that. This is a demo hog, baby, made in the USA. This
Since
thing is gnarly.
1922.
Modeled after the firefighter's Halligan tool. This is actually a mini Halligan bar with the little spike and everything. These are great. But yeah, so this whole back door rolls down, and we got this awesome lift gate that was thrown on here by our good friends Mickey Truck Bodies, and we're gonna go down. You just push this, and we go down.
Someone said I could be on The Price is Right. I would love to be on The Price is Right.
Sorry, I went down without Grayson. But yeah, this sweet lift gate folds into the back.
Mickey!
Mickey Truck Bodies hooked it up.
Yes. Look at me, guys.
Look, you got a new shirt.
That's right. Just
So-
like that.
So we that's the show haulers.
That's the show hauler.
Anybody
Somebody
have any
asked us what
questions?
beers we like when we're, what our favorite when we're out.
That's a good question.
Tay likes
I'm an
hoppy.
IPA guy.
Yeah.
I love them hoppy. I've
I
seen
like
you drink a few
everything.
sours.
I love sours, but it kind of depends on the time of year. If it's wintertime, I love a chocolatey coffee stout.
So thick.
Mike and I also like those Eastern European beers.
I like a
Pilsner,
Stella.
Urquell, Stella.
Stella, and I'm a Modelo,
Yeah.
Prosecco.
Yeah.
Mexican beers are great.
That's my
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a
Pacifico.
light
Pacifico
beer.
is my new favorite summer beer.
Oh,
by the
yeah.
way. It's hard
Yeah.
to find though.
Ted likes Bud Light. Margaret
Yeah.
likes Miller
Bud
Light.
Light.
And if you guys don't know that already, you don't know us at all.
Yeah. They are religious
The
followers
two of them
the,
at least, yeah.
the light beer
Me,
cult.
it literally depends on the day what beer I like. But I like beer.
Right
that's
now,
for
a
sure.
cold Stella or Modelo would be just.
Beer
Well,
would be
with
really
this
nice.
sun, anything cold is
Yeah.
what
What
you're
do you
really
like?
looking for.
Cold beer.
Cold beer. But we're about to break for lunch. We're going to eat right down here in Corned Beef and Company here in downtown Roanoke.
I'm sorry I didn't get to all your comments. We had some people watching from all over the world, even some people in Roanoke watching.
Let's take a
and
second
so
of the
thank
shade
you.
and respond to people's comments.
All right, Mike, we'll meet you over there.
Questions for me?
I don't know. Let's see.
Hi, Mike. Wash your nose, Mike.
Wash your nose, Mike.
Mike's
You did.
working.
I did.
Is anything up there?
Look, that's terrible. I apologize for that.
Jane says, love your dad, so I'm assuming she's talking about you.
Okay,
Hey.
Jane. Hey,
Hi, Jane.
Jane
Yeah.
is the one who had the Freightliner.
Oh,
Hi,
yeah.
Jane. Let's. You want another one?
Yeah.
I got one for sale.
Everything's for sale. If anybody knows us,
Except the
everything's for
dogs.
sale.
Plural.
Someone said it looks like you're in front of corned beef. Dang.
We're pretty
Yeah.
close.
You were right on that
Roanoke's
one.
not very big. You know, if anybody's a local, they're going to know exactly where
They
we
know
are.
where we are.
I've never eaten at this place right behind me. What is
Alexander?
it?
Alexander's.
Oh, it's great.
Is it?
There's not a bad restaurant in
What
Roanoke.
else did you pull out of Area 51? That's a good one, with by someone named Sly, which is perfect.
Sly.
Dublin, that's amazing. Texas.
Best show ever.
I am.
Well, we appreciate everybody watching. I'm gonna bail out of this this lovely live feed and go get myself some food and get powered
Cool.
back up. But love you guys. Come see us.
Dog Bowl.
Yeah.
You know, we are Dog
Saturday
Bowl.
night.
And there's more to come. So we've got a big sale coming up too next month in September. So stay tuned for that. It'll be a warehouse sale. Grayson's just ecstatic.
That's right. I love sales.
She loves sales.
I love making deals.
Bye.
See you.
Bye, Mike.
Everybody say bye, Mike. All right, well, that about does it for us. We wish we
was
could
a
tell you
quick
more
one
about the
today,
job,
guys, but
it is
yeah.
really nice to be local. We are 7 minutes from HQ. So yeah,
One day, you'll see about it, you'll hear about it. As soon as we're allowed to promote this, we will be doing it on all avenues. And you'll, of course, see it on the episode, so it'll be public knowledge by then.
that's right.
Still don't know when season 11 is going to start airing, probably sometime late fall, we think. See us at the Dog Ball on Saturday.
We're not being intentionally vague. This
No, I
is,
know.
This is just television. But thank you guys for the support. Thank you for supporting local business, Black Dog, Roanoke, and all the other companies here in town. The roof view of the building we're working at is amazing, so maybe we'll post some shots from that
Our new album.
a little bit
Cover.
later. But keep your eyes on our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all that sort of stuff, and then eventually back on the DIY networks. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks for
Thanks, see you next
following.
week.
Love you, mean it. Talk to you soon. Bye.